Hello Nikita Didi.
Hi Teerth.
First of all, before starting the interview, thank you very much for the opportunity.
No, my pleasure. It's absolutely my pleasure.
Didi, before starting the interview, I would like to give introduction of your company.
Sure.
Taknatori is an online on-demand logistic platform which connects the transporter, truck drivers, manufacturing unit on single platform to provide a convenient and cost-effective freight service. They also have big clients like Kajaria Tiles, Somania Tiles, and Sida Tiles. My first question is that before coming into the business world, what was your background? What education you had, and before starting trucktrolley.com, were you in any other business?
Before I started Tatkal Lorry, I am actually a lawyer. I graduated from Gujarat National Law University in 2015. Uh, when I graduated from GNLU, I started my MBA right after that. That was from 2015 to 2017, and I did my MBA from Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. So my MBA was also in business entrepreneurship. While pursuing my MBA, I started my first company, which was StyleBazaar.com, which unfortunately didn't work out and failed. And so I started my second company while pursuing my MBA. In the second year itself, that was 2016, I started Tatkal Lorry. So I have a very different background in terms of education and then what I went on to do.
From where did the idea of trucktrolley.com came?
अच्छा सो हुआ क्या था कि जब 2016 में 2015 में मैंने और मेरे छोटे भाई जो कि मेरा को फाउंडर है हमने अपना पहला आइडिया लॉन्च किया था विच वाज टाइल बाजार सो द आइडिया वाज वेरी सिंपल कि यार अगर सब कुछ ऑनलाइन बिकता है तो टाइल्स क्यों नहीं बिकता है सो इट स्टार्टेड आउट एज अ B2C concept, which is business to consumer, which is exactly what Amazon or Flipkart does. But then it went on to become, ultimately in 2016 March, it went on to become a B2B platform, which was कि हम सिर्फ businesses को supply करेंगे. Now उसमें भी प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ कि ऑर्डर तो आने लग गए देश विदेश से. So एक बहुत सिंपल चीज होती है कि अगर आप फ्लिपकार्ट बना रहे हो तो आपके पास ई कार्ट होना चाहिए, करेक्ट? वरना आप
Yes.
डिलीवरी कैसे करोगे? बट ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था टाइल इंडस्ट्री में इन पर्टिकुलर, जो सिर्फ
True.
छोटी छोटी डिलीवरी करता था. And that's where Tile Bazaar failed in March of 2016. And that's when Shikhar and I decided कि okay, let's start. So हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन थे यार, या तो हम रो लेते कि यार ओ शिट हम फेल हो गए, हम क्या करेंगे, और we could have just decided to understand कि हम क्यों फेल हुए, and then figure out कि what were the reasons, and the reasons for those failures was exactly why we started Tatkal Lorry. And do you want to know the reasons?
So, if you can just tell the key reason and what you learned from them.
So, the key reasons of failure was I didn't do extensive research, which I always say now. मैं अब जब lectures लेती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि आपको extensive research करनी चाहिए, सिर्फ अपनी इंडस्ट्री नहीं, ancillary इंडस्ट्री के लिए भी. जैसे मैंने सिर्फ टाइल्स की रिसर्च कर दी, टेक्निकली देखो तो यार मेरी जो पहली रिसर्च थी वो भी गलत ही थी, राइट? मैंने सोचा कि टाइल क्यों नहीं बिकता, मैंने ये नहीं सोचा कि यार टाइल एक इन्वेस्टमेंट है, राइट? टी शर्ट नहीं
True.
है कि 500 रुपए की खरीद ली हो गया,
Yes.
राइट? इट्स अ ह्यूज इन्वेस्टमेंट, इट्स अ मिनिमम few thousands का इन्वेस्टमेंट, राइट? And I should have thought of that, which I didn't. And that's why it was a B2C startup, which went on to become a B2B startup later on. And सो या अब यार बहुत सिंपल चीज है, अगर आज मैं बेवकूफ.com खोलती, जैसे बेवकूफ वाले हैं, सो उन्होंने वर्कआउट किया होगा कि अगर मुझे एक टी शर्ट एक छोटे से सिटी में भी डिलीवर करनी है तो मैं किसके थ्रू डिलीवर करूंगा, राइट? एंड आई डिडंट डू दैट रिसर्च which I should have. So my key learning was that we should do extensive research for the first 2 to 3 months and then formulate entire business model, revenue model, and then jump into the market. Otherwise, time, energy, money, सब खराब होता है. And so hence we started Tatkal Lorry and figuring out the mistakes that we did, of course, and we didn't repeat them in Tatkal Lorry. Yeah.
With whom did you share your idea initially, and what was the response?
I share all my ideas with my father and, of course, my brother. And I have multiple brothers. I have
Okay.
brothers from IITs and triple IITs and all of those guys, and because they have that background, they have that knowledge, and they are very smart people. So I share with them, and and of course my customer. That is where you get the actual validation कि भाई आइडिया काम का है कि नहीं. वो जिस कस्टमर को जरूरत है उससे जाके नहीं पूछोगे तब तक कोई आइडिया वैलिडेट नहीं होता है. वो आइडिया आइडिया रहता है और वो आइडिया आपका रहता है. सो
Yes.
कोई भी बिजनेस बनाने का एक बहुत ही प्राइमरी रूल होता है कि आप ये समझो कि यार जो आपने सोचा है क्या वो मार्केट को एक्चुअली जरूरत है या नहीं. क्योंकि आपकी जरूरत का किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. फैक्ट बात तो ये है. अ,
Yes.
जो मार्केट है जिनको यूज करना है अगर उनको बेनिफिट नहीं हो रहा है देन इट्स अ यूजलेस आइडिया, right?
True.
And so you can share your idea with your family and friends and they might be very much validating of it, but उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा till the time you don't go in the market and ask them कि बॉस मैंने ये बनाया है आपको ये चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए.
How were the initial days of this business, and how did you convince the customer about the new service that will be beneficial to their business?
Right, so I think initial 6 months किसी भी बिजनेस में बहुत टफ होते हैं because आप कस्टमर्स लाना चाह रहे होते हैं और एट द सेम टाइम कस्टमर्स को कन्विंस कर रहे होते हैं. सो व्हेन आई से दैट यू हैव टू शो योर आइडिया टू द कस्टमर तो और वो उसी टाइम इनिशियली वैलिडेट कर देता है तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है ग्रंट वर्क. उतना
Yes.
नहीं होता है एंड देन द वर्ड ऑफ माउथ स्प्रेड्स. सो हाँ इनिशियली 2-3 महीने थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट था but then it picked up because my idea was actually solving the problem of the market,
True.
right? And hence उतना डिफिकल्ट नहीं था जितना होना चाहिए था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेरे पार्टनर्स काफी वर फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री इटसेल्फ. सो वो बहुत वैलिडेट करता है चीजें एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑलवेज से दैट यू शुड हैव पार्टनर्स. See, I was very young. I was 22. My brother was 18, and it becomes really difficult for everyone to accept a 22-year-old girl and an 18-year-old boy. It's very normal कि वो acceptance नहीं आए. And that is what I did in Tatkal Lorry, that I got in partners who were from the industry, which helped me move my product faster. And within 6 months, we were actually around Ahmedabad, and you will not believe it, in all the 4 years, हमने कभी भी एक्सटेंसिव मार्केटिंग पे पैसा नहीं खर्च किया है कि हम एकदम बोर्ड्स लगा रहे हैं, ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, पैम्फलेट बांट रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं किया हमने. हमने सिर्फ अपने मार्केटिंग वाले बंदों को भेजा है and then they have spread out the word and even with that in just 4 years we've been able to do business in 13 cities. Right. So when I say that you have to go in the market and validate it with your customer, I mean it. कि उनके insights में नहा लो ताकि जब तुम लॉन्च भी करोगे ना तब विल बी वेरी क्विक एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी.
Is your a franchisee model?
So I run in two models. I run in franchisee model and branch model as well. There is obviously hooks and crooks with the franchisee model. It works on a commission system, and there's branch model also. Franchisee model helps in you to move faster for the simple reasons कि आपको एक support system मिल जाता है जो already set up उस city में. You don't actually have to run on the foot for that. So yeah, we have 3 franchises out of all the cities that we do. So we have both. We have branches also. हमारी खुद की branches भी होती है और हम franchisee भी देते हैं.
Didi, what are the key elements that you see at the head of the franchisee owner?
So for me, the key elements for finding a franchisee owner is that they should have really minimum amount to infuse, which can be from 3 to 4 lakhs, which is all right with me. But what I exclusively look is for two things. One being that they should be from that city, and they, if preference is अगर वो ceramic tiles industry से हो, अगर नहीं है तो भी चलता है, लेकिन सबसे बड़ा जो मैं ingredient देखती हूँ वो है grunt work करने का, कि you should be able to get down on the ground and work it, and you know do the work on the ground rather than just thinking कि ओ मैंने फ्रेंचाइजी खरीदी है, क्योंकि बिलीव इट और नॉट हम आज भी मैकडोनल्ड्स नहीं है, राइट? हम है छोटी सी कंपनी और आपको बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, स्पेसिफिकली ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट दैट गोज इन.
True.
So yeah, hard work is my key ingredient because I do that a lot, so I expect that from people.
Didi, one of the questions that is coming from the comment section is that being a woman, did you find it difficult to work in a male-dominated industry, and how did you
It
tackle
is.
it?
So I will not deny कि difficult नहीं होता है. Of course difficult होता है. Being in a male dominant industry कि अगर हाँ ओ नहीं नहीं मेरे को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता. Uh, it is very difficult and you have to take it head on. Definitely head on. आपको लोगों को समझाना पड़ता है कि बॉस सब कंपनी में एक गुंडा होता है और इस कंपनी की गुंडी मैं हूँ, right? And I use that word very frequently because you have to tell them कि at the end of the day I'm going to set systems, you're going to follow them, and और हर तरीके से काम करना पड़ता है यार, दोस्त बन के, मैनेजर बन के, उनके लेवल से समझ के. कभी देर आर लॉट ऑफ टाइम व्हेन आई एक्चुअली स्टूप डाउन and go down and understand what problems are they facing, which helps me create better systems according to them. When that happens and they see कि okay नहीं यार ये समझ रही है, it becomes comparatively easier to handle everything, right? So as difficult as it may be, and girls we have it difficult. I'll not be no dishonest here, but अपने को head on लेना ही पड़ता है यार, क्योंकि अगर नहीं लेंगे ना तो चलता काम पानी कम कर देते हैं. So
Uh,
be
in
strong.
your case, it was
Go
not
ahead.
only the gender; it was also your age.
It was. Yes, yes, it was. Yes, I was very young. I was 22. एंड मैंने कभी लाइफ में जॉब नहीं की है यार, कभी भी नहीं की है. सो इट वाज डिफिकल्ट, बट अगर आप लोगों की सुनो तो लोग सुनते हैं आपकी.
Didi, what are the future plan of your company?
So the future plan is to expand. So right now we're just do tile sanitary, right only. We do want to expand into other, product segment as well.
There are two options in front of you. Is one option is to expand all over India, and other is to go into the another products. But why have you choose to go into another products?
It's not like that. We while expanding in different cities, we also want to expand. See, यार कोई भी बिजनेस का ना सिर्फ एक रेवेन्यू सोर्स होना डिफिकल्ट है, या नहीं होना भी चाहिए रादर, बिकॉज दैट मेक्स यू वेरी डिपेंडेंट ऑन just one particular type of customer, which you can be ruled out. There is competition everywhere यार, क्यों नहीं होगा? मैं अकेली बैठ के मोनोपोली तो नहीं चलाऊंगी, ऑब्वियस सी बात है. तो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू गो हैंड इन हैंड, कि आप प्रोडक्ट भी बढ़ा रहे हो, एक्सपेंशन भी कर रहे हो. मैं सिर्फ ये बैठ के नहीं कर सकती कि ओ मेरा हो गया, मैं इसी में काम करूंगी. यू विल नॉट सर्वाइव.
Yes. Didi, any other advice that you would like to give to budding entrepreneurs, especially to the young girls?
Never give up. Never ever give up. Failure is just a mindset. One of the common denominators in all the entrepreneurs are the resilience. So go at it. और क्रिटिसाइज नहीं करना चाहिए. ट्राई एंड फिगर आउट कि आप बेटर कैसे हो सकते हो. बहाने ढूंढना आसान है, सोल्यूशन ढूंढना डिफिकल्ट है. strive for finding solutions, and believe me, you'll do better, you'll get better, it'll be incredible.
Thank you very much, Didi.
Thank you so much, it was lovely.
Your interview will inspire many others not to give up their dreams.
Yeah, you should not give up. I did not give up and I will still not give up.
Thank you. Namaste,
Uh,
Devi.
Namaste.